Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice past couple of days, but today, that much nicer of a day, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 32 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 32, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there at 30 cents. So 32, 30 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 32 cents. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% are in control. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority right now is not even close to being breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases because, as this chart in and of itself has shown, as long as the price builds higher bases, then you can see that everything else takes care of itself over time, including breaking levels of resistance. So keep on building those higher stair steps. And like I said, sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.